Can an LLC do business in other states? Yes, an LLC can do business in other states, but it must register as a foreign LLC in each state where it operates. This process involves filing paperwork with that state, paying fees, and appointing a registered agent there. For example, if your LLC is formed in Texas, but you open an office or hire employees in California, you'll need to register as a foreign LLC in California. Each state has its own rules for what counts as doing business, but common triggers include having a physical office, employees, or significant sales in that state. Operating in multiple states can expand your reach, but it also means more compliance responsibilities, such as filing annual reports and paying fees in each state. Zen Business can help you register your LLC as a foreign entity so you can legally operate across multiple states. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.